Hello guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we will take a look at how you can transfer files from your Windows 10 PC or any other Windows version to your phone using Bluetooth method. First of all, for you to do that, you will need to switch on your Bluetooth. If it's at this notification area, here you simply have to right click and then you go to add a Bluetooth device. But if it doesn't exist here, you can still come to this type menu and then you type Bluetooth, and you can see here it says Bluetooth and other device settings, and you can simply click on it. That's all. It opens up with this settings page for the Bluetooth. Now you can add a new device if you don't already have, but if you have already connected to a particular device before, it should show up under this section. After this audio here is because I've already connected to this one before. If there were others, this empty space will be filled up with them. So now I want to do it with my phone that I've not yet connected with before this video, so I have to add Bluetooth or other device. Now when you take that option, the first option says Bluetooth for mice, keyboard, pens, audio and the rest. Here is the one we'll be taking, the first option, since we are transferring from phone to PC, or let's say PC to phone. Any method, vice versa, still the same thing. This TV or wireless displays, you should know when to choose them, as it says here: wireless monitors, TVs, PCs that use mirror cards, and wireless docks. So you already know when to use it. And here you have Xbox controllers, wireless adapters, or the rest. Here's where we are focused with. Take Bluetooth, and then you simply switch on Bluetooth on your own device. Let's say it's your phone or maybe another machine. You simply have to switch on Bluetooth and you wait for the device name to appear on this search part of the Bluetooth settings. So here I have ITEL, which is the name I gave my phone I will be using. Name is ITEL, and this other one is another Bluetooth device available around. So I go to where I am interested in. So I take the ITEL, which is the phone I want to work with. It gives me this prompt which says press connect if the pin on a time matches this one. So on your phone there will be a particular pin that will be sent this same message, having cancel and having pair. On PC has both cancel and connect, so you simply have to choose. If it corresponds, you take OK. If it doesn't correspond, you cancel and then you restart the process. Since they correspond, I will have to take pair on phone and connect on PC. So when I take connect, I'll also have to accept it on my phone. If not, it will not go. But right now I took it on my machine first, so it gave an error. So I'll first have to accept it on my phone to pair before I take the connect on PC. That's how you should do it. You can see when I'm done with it, as you noticed, it has added one device here, paired, and then the ITEL here shows now that it's paired. It's no more as an unknown device. So I just have to press done, and to, let's say I want to receive files from my phone using the ITEL phone that I paired with. I'll simply have to click here first. I'll simply have to scroll down, I have to scroll down, send or receive files via Bluetooth. Then I take receive files. You have to do this before you select your file and send on the phone. If not, the connection won't be accepted, because with Windows it has to be waiting for the connection before it can accept it. So if you send, even though they are being paired, but without this waiting for connection prompt here, it won't work. So that's just it. So I simply have to open now on my phone, and then I select the file or any photo or any video, because with Bluetooth you can send files, photos, videos, applications, anything, it will still go. So it's just a matter of choice. So let me just send one of these photos on my phone. On phone you take the option share, and then you need to select the Bluetooth option, and then the name of the device you should use will be the name of the Bluetooth connection of the PC you are working with, which is the name which appeared when you wanted to pair with the Bluetooth device. Now that I've accepted the connection, that I've sent the file, you can see it automatically took over here, and then it's asking me where to save the file. So if I wanted to edit where I want to save it, I'll have to choose this browse and then choose a different location. But if it's the correct location, I will simply have to click finish. But let's say since it was a photo I sent, let's store it on my pictures folder. So I have to scroll down and look for where I have pictures. Double click, and then you make a new folder, maybe to put it inside. I just say pic, and take OK. Now you can see the location that was here has changed. It was first this name, and then instead of pictures here it had /documents. So I've changed it to /picture/pic. So it's okay. I simply have to click finish. And without you doing that stuff I just did, without you clicking the finish for it to be written on the location, even though the transfer completed, when you go to the file you will not see it. So that's just how Bluetooth is. So if you close these windows without you accepting it to complete and store it in a particular file, at the end what you transferred, although it successfully went, you will not still see it found on your machine. That's how Bluetooth works. Then now we can simply open up the location where we saved the photo and see if it's actually there. So I saved it under pictures and pic, and here's the file I just sent from my phone to this PC. Select any file, any option that you want it to open with, maybe any application like the various options that were given. We had this default image viewer from Windows that we simply used, that's all. And here's the photo. And let's say I wanted to transfer back from my machine to my phone using Bluetooth. You can simply have to choose this send or receive files via Bluetooth. Still the same process as before, but instead of receive files you have to take but send files. When you take send files, they will ask you the device you want to send to, and the device, if you remember, the name was itel, so I choose the itel and I choose next. And then the file names, the file that you wish to send. Here you simply have to take browse, and then you will search for the file that you want to send, where it's located on your machine. Let's say I want to send back the photo I just sent. I can just take pic and I go to the file that I want to send. When I click on the file, in this case which is a photo, simply click open and automatically add it to this. And I can see click browse to add other files, maybe other photos, other documents, anything. Then when I'm done I click on next, and it connects, and on the phone you will see a notification which asks you to accept. Here simply take accept, and that's all. And you can see it has started sending the file. When it's completed on the phone it automatically saves, and you don't have any option for you to click where it's being stored or any anything like that. So you simply have one phone to copy it later to a particular file location that you wish. And with the part of the phone, clicking finish here doesn't matter. Even if I close it without finishing here, it's already on the phone, so no issues. You're not obliged to click this finish. Here you can use this. But when you send the file from the phone to the PC, you have to follow the procedure. If not, at the end the file will simply be lost, or probably it's being saved somewhere temporarily, but I don't yet know where it's being stored when you don't choose the location. And as you know, transferring files with Bluetooth is very slow, and usually you do it when you don't have any other option, because sending files through a USB cable or any other third-party software is usually faster than using Bluetooth. So on our next episode, maybe we'll try to take a look at how we can transfer files from phone to PC through the application called Zender. Zender is one of the popular applications we usually use to send files from phone to another, from one phone to another, mostly Androids, although it's available for iOS too. But you can also send files from phone to machine using Zender. So we will take a look at that on one of our videos. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. If it helped you solve one of your issues, something that you were doubting, or something that you were faced with, we hope that may you like, maybe subscribe, share to support us. Thank you for watching and see you on our next episode. Bye.